Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And in this video we're going to unpackage and review a case that I purchased for my shiny new Jade coloured Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. I purchased this case on Amazon. It was less than £10 sterling at time of purchase, and I'll link in the description to where you can buy one too. kwmobile did not pay us for this review. I purchased this device with my own money, but the link is an affiliate one, so if you do decide to purchase based on my review here on YouTube, you will be supporting the Tech Travel Geeks through that affiliate link. Right then, packaging, as we've seen with many phone cases in the past, is pretty simple. It's essentially just a Ziploc bag with generic branding on it, and it just says Pixel 10 Pro XL at the bottom. This case is also available in a size compatible with the Pixel 10 Pro, not the XL version, and the standard Google Pixel 10. So if you do have that device, make sure you select that appropriately. Now this is a silicone case with magnets in it, so it's compatible with MagSafe-like accessories and Qi 2 standard accessories, and as well as what Google brands the Pixel Snap ecosystem. So let's slide the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL into the case. It's pretty simple. And let's have a look at the case details. Now at the top here we have a cutout for the microphone hole. Nothing on the left hand side of the case. On the right hand side we have two button extensions for power button, and you can see now that power is on and off, no stickiness there. And let's just quickly unlock my device and check the volume rocker. Yes, that's working as expected. Good news there. Okay, great. So in terms of gesture navigation, I can get around the device fine. There is a bit of a lip here. According to the Amazon listing, it's 1.3 millimeters from screen to the edge of the phone, which means it gives you approximately a millimeter of rise for the screen there. Okay, and at the bottom we have a cutout for those symmetrical speaker grills and USB Type-C. It does seem to be a bit of a tight USB-C section, but it works. And yeah, that's about it. In terms of the camera pill, it does have a lift. It feels as if it's slightly less than the screen lift, but it is there, so you do get a little bit of protection for that camera pill when you're placing your device flat on a surface. And we have obviously the Pixel Snap accessories here. Let me get a accessory or two to check that. And so here I have my Limeta power bank, which I still use with my iPhone, which is MagSafe compatible. It clicks and aligns on the back of the device, and as you can see, it starts charging the Pixel 10 Pro XL immediately. So it also comes up with your suggestions on wireless charging, but that works. It's plugged in, it's solid. So the kwmobile case that we're currently reviewing does indeed have magnets extending the Pixel Snap, or the Qi 2 magnetic standard, from the phone through the case. So that's what we want to see, is accessories doing that. Over the course of my long-term review of the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, I will obviously be reviewing more accessories that go with this. So make sure you're subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. If you think I've missed anything out, if you would like to ask extra questions, leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. And if you haven't already, do like the video, and the new feature for small creators is out. It's called Hype. Please also hype this video if you found it useful. Anyway, I'll thank you for watching if you made it this far into this video. Links are in the description to where you can purchase the kwmobile case, which I can recommend, as well as to our previous videos about the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.